Crossover shoppers on the lookout for the best, pay attention, shortlist the Audi Q7. Its nearly perfect balance of luxury, refinement, driving enthusiasm, and high-tech features more fit into a no-brainer for people lucky enough to contain the budget for this kind of vehicle. We're currently blessed having a 2017 Q7 3.0T Prestige in this long-term fleet, and for that reason we've found almost no to complain about. Two engines are available, an efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder along with a zesty supercharged V6, and both come standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. Low-speed automated emergency braking is standard, but those seeking more complex active safety measures will find what they're seeking in the mid-range Premium Plus and top-spec Prestige trims. What's new for 2018? Audi's proximity sensing advanced key is now standard on all Q7 models and will be offering passive entry, memory features, and push-button start. Premium Plus trims gain the 3D Bose surround sound music system as standard, and top-spec Prestige models earn soft closed doors that kick the luxurious up a notch. What was new for 2017? The Q7 comes standard with 3-row seating and Quattro all-wheel drive. Available power plants such as a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder plus a supercharged 3.0-litre V6, because both versions are backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both setups can be bought in Audi's Premium and Premium Plus trim levels, but only the .0T, which starts at $56,450, can be purchased with the range-topping Prestige gear. Trims and options we'd choose the Q7 is in its best while using supercharged V6 as well as the adaptive air suspension, and we'd recommend the Prestige trim together with the adaptive chassis package. At $70,375, it comes down at a hefty price. However, you get that which you pay for. Along with this case, you get one of the most beneficial mid-size luxury crossovers for sale today and our 2-time 10 Best Trucks and SUVs award winner. Plus, using this top-spec trim, you're getting a good amount of creature features, like four-zone automatic climate control, power tilting and telescoping steering column, panoramic sunroof with power sunshade, leather seating surfaces, 12-way adjustable power front seats with heat and ventilation. Not to say that Quattro all-wheel drive is standard on all Q7 models, so there's no reason to pay extra if you would like the security of more traction. Properly equipped, the Q7 is probably the quickest and a lot capable utes in their class, without shortage of powertrain refinement. What's new for 2018? While Audi is different nothing beneath the hood on the Q7 for 2018, we did have a chance to find out a Premium Plus model equipped with all the turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder. While we were stunned at its performance, the 4-cylinder doesn't move the important Q7 along using the same zest as being the supercharged V6. 2017 Audi Q7. The only Q7s we've experienced happen to be 3.0T models using the supercharged 3.0-litre V6. Which produces 333 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque. All variants feature a superb 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, and also the V6 ties it all together with satisfying sophistication and gratification. Weighing over 5,000 pounds, the Q7 3.0T isn't a hot rod, however it's plenty fleet from the real world. You can save $6,500 by deciding on the base turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder, 252 horses and 273 lb-ft, but a 4-banger doesn't really suit the top Audi's size and character. Tow ratings compared, it may look and move just like a car-based station wagon, though the Q7's bones are stout. When motivated from the V6, it's rated to drag up to nearly 4 tons. Together with the 4-cylinder, it may tow 4,400 pounds. 2018. The EPA is holding steady within the Q7's fuel economy estimates for 2018, but each of us had a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder variant at our office. We sent it well on our 200-mile railroad highway fuel economy test. The smaller engine became efficient, outperforming its EPA rating as well since the supercharged 3.0-litre V6 version we tested not too long ago. The Q7's EPA estimates may be similar for the Volvo XC90 T6s, as well as the Audi's smaller 2.0-litre mill is wonderful for only 1 more mpg inside the city than a few .0 20 miles per gallon versus 19. Both engines are rated at 25 miles per gallon for the highway. However, more exuberant drivers, us included, may average more detailed than 19 miles per gallon we're seeing with this long-term. Fuel economy ratings compared. We've devised our very own fuel economy test in an effort to replicate how many people drive around the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We keep a GPS verified 75 miles per hour and make use of the cruise control if you can, to mimic just how many drivers behave during long trips. Despite ratings that are just like the Volvo, the XC90 fared far better on our 200-mile highway test, whilst the frugal Acura MDX topped them both. The Q7's 22.5-gallon fuel tank affords it a considerable highway range, with the Lexus GX 460 sporting a greater capacity 23 gallons. When it appears to utility vehicles with 3 true rows of seats, nothing touches the dynamics on the Audi Q7. What's new for 2018? Audi have not made any mechanical changes for 2018, but that hasn't stopped us from continuing our regimen of testing. When we were provided having a Q7 powered through the previously untested turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder, we strapped on our gear and headed on the track. The Q7 while using boosted forward delivered adequate acceleration, but it really fell toward the back in the pack in cornering grip and emergency braking distance. Acceleration in these kinds, you must step nearly the Volvo XC90 T8 plug-in hybrid $68,795 to begin with to conquer the Audi in a very straight line. The XC90 T8 managed a 5.3-second blast to 60 miles per hour, 0.2 quicker compared to Audi. We've yet to sample the 2.0T's gusto, though the supercharged V6 produces smooth, linear power plus a pleasant exhaust note, with excellent coordination on the 8-speed automatic. Ride, handling, and steering that fancy Volvo, however, isn't a match for your Audi's cornering prowess. Despite its bulk, the Q7, when fitted using the optional performance tires on 21-inch wheels, feels low and lithe, being a pumped-up sport wagon. The adjustability in the optional air suspension, paired together with the added agility from four-wheel steering, helps to make the Q7 surprisingly fun to flog down a twisty back road. Braking even without worrying about summer performance tires, which help the large Audi stop such as a proper sports coupe, the Q7 has impressive and reassuring braking ability for just a people mover from a size.